Okay, folks, we are back doing another product review from Hart Mind Soul and the HMS Nation. Today we're going to be going over our newest catalog collection here, the January to August 2020 arrivals. There's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm not going to go through this whole catalog and see how thick that is. But I wanted to draw your attention to a few new items here, specifically the bags. So we've got bags, tees, fleece, outerwear, wovens, polos, caps, blankets, all kinds of stuff you can request more information about on the Hart Mind Soul website, but specifically the bags. So we're going to take a look here at this 2020 bag selection. These are some new products that they're putting out this summer. Don't know when this goofy little bag and fanny packs came back in style, but if this is, I don't know why, if you're into this sort of goofy thing, then you can get these. But they do have a number of different options here. Now, these are a little bit nicer, different backpacks that have come out here in the past few years. This is the Nike Utility Collection, very durable, nice, high-quality products. You can see there's a lot of different options here. These different bags, sport, team duffel bags. What are these for? Your duffel bags, your little kind of traveling kits. These are nice, little cinch packs. They got a little zipper added on them. Here's some other backpacks. Just getting some nice, really nice products, some good color combinations here. Don't know if you really want to have Nike on it, but you can embellish your logo here if you'd like. Ogio is another really high quality, top selling brand that we've got. Some nice luggage pieces. Here's their cinch pack, really high quality product here. These travel packs are beautiful. We did these a few years ago. Actually, people really liked these for their insulin cases. They found out that this was a perfect little size for that. So anyways, nice little travel kit you can do all sorts of things with. Here's some more Ogio Backpacks, additional features. And I was really impressed by the number of different types of bags and selections, styles, colors, options that they had here available. If you want to do these golf bags, we can do that for you. Nice corporate looking stuff. Again, if you're traveling, need something for school, work at home. I know the world's changed a little bit here. They've got these clear bags. I don't like these, but these are nice safety kind of thing. Whatever, if you're going to be going to a concert or a tour or somewhere where they need to be able to see inside your bag, you can get these clear bags with your logo on them. And we always have your traditional totes, backpacks, cinch bags, and a number of other options. This really nice from Eddie Bauer. These cooler cases you can put your beverages in and keep them cold. And that's it, folks. So that's it for our brief bag selection overview here from our 2020 selection, courtesy of Hart Mind Soul and the HMS Nation. You can get a free quote for any of this stuff online 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Our offices are always open and here to serve you.